how to enter download mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now, before we can go into download mode, we need to completely switch off the phone. So swipe down at the top twice and then tap on the power button. From the power menu, tap on power off, then tap on power off. Now wait for a few seconds for the phone to completely switch off. Once it has switched off, we're going to need to press on the volume up plus the volume down plus insert the USB cable. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to have this USB cable, and this cable needs to be plugged into a Windows computer or a Mac computer, and the computer needs to be switched on. Okay, so let's do it now. We press on both of the volume keys. So on both keys here, up and down, press and hold. Once you press and hold on the buttons, now plug into your computer with the USB cable. And then after a second or two, you should see a warning screen right here. It's a warning, and it said that press on the volume up to continue, or press on the volume down to cancel. Press the side key to show the barcode. Okay, so we're going to press on the volume up key to continue. And now we're in download mode. As you can see, we're in download mode. Okay, so once you're in download mode, you can update your software, you can restore your device, or you can do whatever you need to do in download mode. Once you have finished in download mode, you can press on the volume down key plus the side key for more than 7 seconds to restart the phone. So press on the volume down plus the side button, press and hold on both keys for more than 7 seconds. So let's do it now. Press and hold. Okay, so press and hold for more than 7 seconds to restart your device. Okay, so after that, you can let go of the buttons. If you see that the phone does not restart, then you can press and hold on the side button. So press and hold, and then that will boot up your Samsung Galaxy S25. And that's it. So that is how you can enter download mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.